Today I'm gonna show you how to create this insane 3D Chrome lyric effect in After Effects, and honestly, this is one of those effects that looks way more complicated than it actually is. We're gonna turn basic song lyrics into animated metallic 3D text that moves with the beat track to the camera and feels like it's actually part of the music video.
Yeah, you gon' die poor. That's the way it is.
And the best part is, most of the effect is built using super simple techniques. We will be using Roto Brush, Element 3D, some clean animation and a few compositing tricks that instantly make everything feel way more cinematic. So, if you're into editing, VFX, motion design or music video effects, you're gonna love this one. Okay, let's break it down. Step 1. Roto. Alright, first thing first, let's prep the footage. Duplicate your clip with Command+D or Ctrl+D and rename the top layer to something like Roto Subject. Now double click the top layer and grab the Roto Brush tool. We're gonna cut the artist out from the background because eventually all the 3D text is gonna sit behind him. And this part matters a lot. A clean roto is honestly the difference between an effect looking expensive or looking fake immediately. So take your time here. Go frame by frame, clean up the edges, especially around hair and hands, and try to keep everything as natural as possible. Once you're happy with it, hit freeze. And already we've got a solid foundation for the entire effect. Step 2. Building the lyrics. Now let's set up the typography. Grab the text tool and type out the lyrics from the song. But here's the important part. Every single word needs to be on its own text layer. It's a little more work upfront, but it gives you way more flexibility once we start animating everything. Now line up every word with the beat of the song. Honestly, timing is what sells the entire effect. Even super basic animation looks instantly good when it's perfectly synced to music. And once the words start hitting on beat, the whole thing immediately starts feeling like an actual music video. Step 3. Turning the text into 3D Chrome. Now for the fun part. Create a black solid for every single word and place each solid directly above its matching text layer. Then take the first solid and apply Element 3D. Inside Effect Controls, go to Custom Layers, Custom Text and Masks and select the first text layer. And boom, now Element is generating actual 3D geometry from the text. Open Scene Setup, click Extrude, then increase the bevel scale to around 15. This tiny adjustment makes a massive difference because it gives the text much better reflections and highlights. For the material, I'm using a Chrome preset. Chrome just works instantly well for this style because reflections create so much movement automatically. Even before animation, it already looks way more expensive. Now, once the first word is done, copy the element effect and paste it onto all the other solids. Then just swap the text layer inside custom text and masks. Super simple and it saves a ton of time. Step 4. Animation. Now let's bring everything to life. Select all your element layers and press S for scale. Adjust the size of certain words if the composition feels unbalanced. Sometimes making one word slightly bigger completely changes the energy of the scene. Now let's animate the rotation. At the beginning, set rotation X and rotation Y to around positive 30 degrees. Then move forward in the timeline and set both values to negative 30. That little movement adds so much depth instantly. Without animation, the text just feels dead. Step 5. Explosion VFX. Now let's add some extra energy to the scene. Import an explosion clip and drag it into the composition. Place it somewhere behind the artist or near the text so it actually interacts with the environment instead of feeling pasted on top. Then just scale it and move it around until it feels right with the beat. That's usually my approach with VFX, honestly. Step 6. Final polish. Now let's finish everything off. Create an adjustment layer and place it underneath the roto layer. Then apply tracer effect. This adds extra texture and distortion that helps break the too clean digital look. After that, create one more adjustment layer and move it to the very top. Apply signal effect for some subtle glitch, RGB separation and digital distortion. And now the whole composition feels finished. And that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed the tutorial, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more After Effects and VFX content. All the assets, presets and useful links will be in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.